In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit Euro or EUR on Kraken. Whether you're just starting out in the world of cryptocurrencies or looking to optimize your trading capabilities, adding funds to your Kraken account is a crucial step. Let's walk through the process together, ensuring you get everything set up quickly and efficiently. First, once you've logged into your Kraken account and find yourself on the home page, the initial step is to locate the deposit button. You'll usually find it easily accessible. Often, it's prominently displayed so you can kickstart your deposit journey without much hassle. Clicking this button will allow you to proceed with depositing funds into your account. Next, you're going to search for the currency Euro. Kraken supports a variety of currencies, so it's important to specify that you want to deposit euros. Once you type Euro into the search bar, a list of currencies should pop up. Go ahead and select Euro from this list. This ensures that your deposit is aligned with the currency you intend to use for trading or storing within your account. Now you'll need to choose your preferred payment method. Kraken offers a couple of options for depositing euros, specifically SEPA or Etana custody. SEPA, which stands for Single Euro Payments Area, is a popular choice within the European Union for its convenience and low cost. It allows seamless bank transfers across the EU. Alternatively, Etana custody provides another secure method, especially useful if you're looking for a way to easily transition your funds between traditional banking and crypto environments. Take a moment to think about which method suits your needs best, perhaps considering factors like speed, fees, and the current services offered by your bank. With your payment method selected, the next step involves a bit of manual work. You'll need to perform a bank transfer, which will be made easier by the details Kraken provides. When you chose your deposit method, Kraken should give you all the necessary information required to make this transfer. This could include details like the IBAN number, BIC or SWIFT codes, and sometimes a reference code. Ensure you fill out this information accurately in your bank's online platform or through your local branch to avoid any mishaps during the transfer. As you commence this transfer, double-check all entries to make sure everything matches the information given by Kraken's deposit instructions, safeguarding against any potential errors that could delay the process. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully initiated a Euro deposit into your Kraken account. It might take a little time for the transfer to reflect in your account, depending on your bank's processing speed, but soon you'll be ready to trade, invest, or explore the wide array of cryptocurrencies Kraken offers. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful, leaving you with confidence as you manage your funds on Kraken. Thank you for watching and happy trading.